In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use named ranges in Google Sheets. This is a useful feature that can make your spreadsheet easier to manage and more understandable by giving specific names to various cells or ranges of cells instead of relying on cell references like A1 or B2. This is especially valuable when dealing with large datasets or complex formulas. First, open up Google Sheets in your browser and either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to use this feature. A nice, clean spreadsheet will make it much easier to follow along. Once you've got your spreadsheet ready, direct your attention to cell A1. Go ahead and click on it to select it. Now, right above your spreadsheet, you'll see a small box called the name box. It might have a cell reference like A1 written in it. Erase what's there and instead type in the word variety. This process effectively renames that cell, A1, to variety. This tiny action is going to help you later when you're building formulas or data points that might cross-reference this cell. Following the same steps as before, navigate over to cell B1 and click to select it. Once again, look towards the name box, clear the cell reference, and type in quantity. This gives the same naming convenience for cell B1, making it clear that this column is associated with the quantities you'll be entering. Next, you'll be doing a similar process with cell D1. Head over and click on D1 to select it. In the name box, remove what's there and type in total. By naming this cell total, clarity is added to any calculations involving this cell, making it easy to understand what data or sum it represents. Now with our named ranges established, we're going to do a quick review of the named ranges feature in Google Sheets. Head over to the top menu and click on Data. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for Named Ranges and click it. This opens up a panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of the named ranges you have created: variety, quantity, and total. The panel provides an overview of all named ranges in your spreadsheet and allows for easy navigation and management of these ranges. Named ranges are a fantastic tool for identifying cell ranges with descriptive names instead of generic coordinates, which makes formulae and data management much more intuitive. Tested by many spreadsheet users, this method is more than just a nice feature, but a powerful tool to enhance productivity, especially when dealing with more complex data.